Hey Angel, welcome back to my channel. I am Neha. If you are new to my channel, so please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. I hope you like my office makeup series. Here I come with a Navratri look. You can see I have added 3 dots around my eyes and on chin to give a typical Navratri look.
First start with the eyes. I am applying a concealer before eye makeup to give some base. And set with a loose powder. And for eye makeup, I am using Wet n Wild Rose in the Air palette. First, I am picking a transition shade which is light brown on my crease and above crease. And to give some dimension and depth to your eyes, I am using dark brown shade from the same palette. After that, blend both the shade from the fluffy brush. After that, using the star of the show, NYX matte eyeshadow in the shade In the Buff. Shade was nice and pigmented, but you can use your finger instead of brush because there is a huge fallout. If you want to use this eyeshadow, so you can use before your base makeup. I am again using dark brown shade for mixing up all the shade together. After removing the tape, I am using wet wipe to clean my face. For eyeliner, I am using Faces matte eyeliner. After eye makeup, let's start with the face. First, I am applying a PAC pore primer. It has a velvety texture and it helps to stay the makeup for a long time. And for foundation, I am applying PAC HD foundation in the shade 1.3. It has medium to buildable coverage. For buffing the foundation, I am using PAC Dense Flat Top Stippling Brush in 265. To set my base, I am again using PAC Beauty Blender. And for concealer, I am applying LA Pro Concealer in the shade Natural. I am applying this concealer on my highlighting points. To set my base, I am using Maybelline newly launched loose finishing powder in the shade Light. It is a mineral based formula. It helps to control shine and smooth the skin. It gives airbrushed finish and doesn't give me a flashback. This powder doesn't dry your skin. It keeps your face matte more than 5 to 6 hours. After my base makeup, first I am finishing my eye makeup. That I am applying Nykaa 24x7 kajal on my lower eyelid and smudge with a brown shade. And for mascara, I am applying L'Oreal Lash Paradise Mascara. And for contouring and bronzing, I am applying Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee. As you can see, most of the time I am using the same palette because this shade best contour shade for my skin tone and it's easily blendable. For blush, I am using NYX Sweet Cheek palette, applying peach and pink shade on my cheeks. And for highlighter, I am using one of my favorite highlighter from the brand Makeup Revolution. It gives nice sheen and subtle glow to my face. I am using the same highlighter on my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. For lipstick, I am applying Sugar Sweet Secret Matte Lip Color in the shade Creepy Coral. It has lightweight formula and it doesn't dry my lips. To set my makeup, I am using PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer.
I hope you liked this video. I am very excited to give another festival look. If you want me to create any other look, so please comment below. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe my videos. And guys, please show some love and support to my channel and my videos. See you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Happy Navratri.